Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking on the link. I film videos about plus size fashion, beauty, hauls, planner stuff. So yeah, if that's what you enjoy, you might consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button that's right under this video. Now, this is our next beauty box haul. I have the next bag here. I'm going to open it, wash my hands, and then I'm going to show you what is inside this beauty box, which is this big. It's a big box. I'll give you information in a bit. Let me go wash my hands. So, this is the box. Beauty treats are inside. This is the Wonder Woman beauty box, and I'm going to show you what is in it. So, as I said, this is the Wonder Woman beauty box, and I'm going to tell you why I bought this. First of all, I wasn't looking to buy the next beauty box, but I really wanted to get the ASOS March box. And I was going onto the website, and I don't know if you've heard about the whole drama behind that box, where they said they're not going to release it on the first days of March. Then they did, and everyone was so unhappy. Anyway, I don't know what happened to me, but I said, I can't get the ASOS box. I might as well get me myself another box. So I went onto the next website, and this Wonder Woman box it was £40. I bought it. Anyway, let's just see what's in it. I don't even remember what was in it. That was one of my impulse buys. So I'm just going to take the tissue paper off and make a lot of ruffling sounds. And yeah, I remember why. There are three reasons why I bought it. First of all, it had the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. This costs £25 on its own, and I love the This Works treatments. The pillow spray is amazing. I just like the scent of it. It's really, really good. And I bought this just to put on my body, and yeah, I thought, wow, this is worth it. So it has a full-size Deep Sleep body cocoon. It says it's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. It's 100 ml. So that's one thing I got in this box. The other thing I thought, yeah, that's worth it because, yep, I'm already using the mini size. I bought the Pixie. It's got the Pixie Skin Treats Glow Tonic, which is 5% glycolic acid and 5% acid glycol. Yep. So that's it. And I'm already using the mini one, and my skin is doing quite well with it. It's not reacting, so I'm using this, and I got the big size in the beauty box. And I don't know how much this normally retails for. The card that Next has provided does not say. So yeah, it had that. Then I also saw that it had an iconic London palette. So this is the iconic London sunset to sunrise. And I thought, well, I'm colorblind, but I thought summer, so it's got to be a summer palette. It says, create endless gorgeous look with these 20 summer-inspired shades, velvety soft texture, and a selection of mattes, shimmers, and glitters to create perfect looks, night or day. Now, these are the colors. This is what the palette, it's got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you get 20 shades from Iconic London. I've tried their other, hang on, I'll take this off. I've tried their eyeshadows, and I really like them. So I'm just going to show you what you can see. I'll go through some of the Sandstorm, some of the, they do feel velvety. Some of the So that's Sandstorm. There you go. And then let's see, Heat Wave. Oh, let's see, Heat Wave. There you go, Heat Wave. And Beach Bronzed. Oh, that sounds interesting. Let's see, Beach Bronzed. There you go, Beach Bronze. So yeah, these are the shadows, and I'm really looking forward to trying them to create really nice summer looks, which is like, I just put one eyeshadow on my eyes, but yeah. Alrighty, let's move on. You get Moroccan Oil. So this is a Moroccan Oil treatment. It's light. It is, I'm guessing, for the hair. Hang on, let me just read what my little booklet here says. Moroccan Oil. Give your hair some TLC with this cult. So this is a strand soother. It nourishes, softens, and repairs tired hair. I can use one of these because my hair is tired and old because it hasn't been to the hairdresser for ages. So that is the Moroccan Oil. You also get an Illamasqua Lipstick. It is in the shade, what shade is this? In the shade, and in the shade Rocket. So it is a red lip, long-lasting formula, comfortable semi-matte finish. I'll show you this one, because a lipstick and a red lip, who doesn't love a red lip? Oh, the packaging is really nice and very luxe. And let's see this red. There you go, nice red. I'm just going to put some on my hand. There you go. That is the red. Let's imagine I'm wearing this red. So yeah, you get this nice Illamasqua red lippy. You get a very small pouch from Vanilla Smith London. I don't know. Well, it's a nice little pouch. Good to use. And you also get a candle from, it's Velvet Peony. It's from Urban Apothecary. And let's smell this candle. Oh, I can even smell it outside of the packaging. So the paper, hang on, I'm making a lot of noise here, sorry. So it's a little candle, nice black, I think this is black. So that's the candle. It's the size here, you can see in my palm. Does smell nice and peony, like a peony. So yeah, that's everything that was in this box. Now I think I'm going to check just to let you know how much, what the value of the box is, but I already know that the Iconic London and the Deep Asleep cocoon thing makes it like worth the money. So hang on, let me just check and then I'll finish off my video. So yeah, it says, the website says it's worth more than £140. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using this lippy, burning the candle. I'm already using these, the eyeshadows, treatment for the hair, really nice. Let me just say something about the next beauty boxes. They don't sell out very quickly. I don't know if many people buy them, but I have always gotten, like, every month I go in just to see what's on offer. They're usually £20 and you get lots of different things. And I've, familiarized myself with different brands because of this beauty box. I've also got the ASOS beauty box, which I do think is good value for money, but you need to be fast with that one, so let's not go there. I used to subscribe to the Look Fantastic one and the Glossy Box one. I stopped the Glossy Box one. I've also stopped the Look Fantastic one. And out of all the boxes that I have tried, oops, sorry, I'm moving my camera. I think that the next one, I know the next one is my favorite. So yeah, Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. Leave a comment in the comment box about what you've tried out of these products, what you like. And if you have any other beauty box suggestions, let me know again in the comments. It would be great if you consider subscribing to my channel, trying to grow, and it's really hard these days to grow as a YouTube channel. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, maybe. Bye. Stay safe.